Hey there, future content creators. Today I'm going to blow your mind with something absolutely insane. How I've managed to create viral short-form content that's completely original, totally automated, and literally prints money while I sleep. No clickbait, no exaggeration, just pure value that's about to transform your entire approach to content creation. Before we dive in, let me show you something crazy. This channel right here, it's generating thousands of views per video, and guess what? It's running almost entirely on autopilot thanks to AI. Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. Look, I know what you're thinking. Another AI video? Really? But this is different. I'm not just throwing ChatGPT at a wall and hoping something sticks. I've developed a system that's so effective, it's literally changing the game for content creators everywhere. First, let me hit you with some truth. 99% of people are doing AI content completely wrong. They're using basic prompts, generic templates, and wondering why they're not seeing results. But here's where it gets interesting. I've discovered a method that's not just different, it's revolutionary. Want to know the craziest part? This system works across any niche, any topic, any platform. Whether you're into tech, fitness, cooking, or even knitting, this will work for you, and I'm about to show you exactly how. Here's what makes this method absolutely insane. It combines the power of multiple AI tools in a way nobody's talking about. We're not just using one tool. We're creating a symphony of AI that works together to generate content that feels completely human, totally engaging, and impossibly original. Let me break down the exact process. First, we're using a combination of ChatGPT and Claude to generate ideas that are guaranteed to trend. But here's the secret sauce. We're not just asking for ideas. We're using what I call the viral matrix prompt that forces the AI to think like a human content strategist. Watch this. When I input this specific prompt sequence, and yes, I'm about to show you exactly what it is, the AI doesn't just give us content ideas, it gives us psychologically optimized hooks that trigger curiosity and emotional response. This is next level stuff that nobody else is doing, but it gets even better. Remember how I mentioned this system runs on autopilot? That's because we're not just creating content, we're building an AI-powered content factory. I'm talking about automated research, script writing, voice generation, and even video editing. Here's where things get really interesting. Using 11 labs and DID, we're creating completely original talking head videos that look and sound incredibly natural. But there's a twist, we're not just using standard prompts. I've developed a specific prompt engineering technique that makes these videos feel incredibly personal and authentic. The results? Absolutely mind-blowing. We're talking about engagement rates that are off the charts, view counts that keep climbing, and most importantly, real, genuine audience connection. This isn't just about gaming the algorithm, it's about creating content that actually provides value while building a loyal following. Let me show you. Using this system, I've been able to generate a constant and consistent stream of non-stop original content in just 1 month. The best part? Each piece is unique, valuable, and specifically designed to trigger the YouTube algorithm's key metrics. But here's what really sets this apart: the automation stack. I'm about to show you how to set up a system that literally works while you sleep. We're talking about content that researches itself, writes itself, edits itself, and even optimizes itself for maximum reach. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes I'm going to reveal the exact prompt sequences, the specific tools, and the complete workflow that makes this possible. This isn't just theory, I'm going to show you real examples, real results, and real numbers. And just when you think you've got it all figured out, I'm going to show you something that's going to completely change the game again. It's a new feature I've discovered that almost nobody is talking about, and it's absolute gold for content creators. The best part? You can start implementing this system today, even if you're starting from zero. No technical experience required, no expensive equipment needed, just pure, actionable strategies that work. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's dive into exactly how this works, step by step. Trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to see content creation in a completely different light. Let's start with the foundation, the AI content matrix. Open up ChatGPT and copy this exact prompt. You are a viral content strategist specializing in short-form video. Analyze current trending topics in your niche and generate 10 hook-driven content ideas that trigger high emotional response. But here's the game-changing twist. We're going to layer Claude's analysis on top of this. Watch what happens when we feed these results into Claude with this specific prompt sequence. Suddenly, we're not just getting ideas, we're getting psychologically optimized content frameworks that practically guarantee engagement. I'm talking about hooks that stop thumbs from scrolling and keep viewers glued to their screens. Now here's where the magic really happens. Take these frameworks and input them into our automated content pipeline. First stop, 11 Labs. But forget basic voice cloning. We're using what I call the emotional resonance stack. This specific combination of settings creates a voice that's not just natural, it's magnetically engaging. Let me show you exactly how to set this up. In 11 Labs, adjust your stability to 0.5, clarity to 0.8, and here's the secret. Set the emotional range to maximum. This creates a voice that captures all the subtle inflections that make human speech so compelling. Next, we're feeding this into DID, but with a crucial modification. Most people just upload their script and hope for the best. We're going to use what I call dynamic expression mapping. This matches facial expressions perfectly to voice tonality, creating an uncanny level of realism. But here's where it gets insane. I've developed a way to automate this entire process using Python scripts. Don't worry if you're not technical. I'm about to show you how to set this up with zero coding required. This system will automatically generate, voice, animate, and upload your content while you sleep. Check this out. Notice the natural flow, the perfect sync between voice and expression, the engaging delivery. Would you believe this was created entirely by AI? Neither would your audience. Now for the secret weapon, my proprietary viral velocity framework. This is what takes good content and makes it explosively shareable. It's a specific combination of hook structures, pattern interrupts, and psychological triggers that practically force engagement. Let me break it down. First 2 seconds. Pattern interrupt. Hook, seconds 3 to 5. Curiosity gap, seconds 6 to 15. Value stack. Final 5 seconds. Loop close with call to action. This structure is absolutely crushing it right now because it perfectly aligns with how our brains process information on social platforms. Here's the best part. I've automated this entire framework. Every video this system produces follows this exact formula, optimized for maximum engagement. The results? I am now generating thousands of views per video on my brand new channel with very little prior experience and simply a tremendous amount of excitement and enthusiasm, while I finally pursue my content creation dreams and creating the life I have always wanted on my terms. Priceless. But don't just take my word for it. Access video and viewer trends in the analytics dashboard. Then, keep optimizing and editing until your numbers skyrocket. Want to know the craziest part? This is just the beginning. I'm already testing new features that are showing even more insane results. We're talking about 2 to 3 times current engagement rates. Before I wrap up, let me give you one more game-changing tip that nobody's talking about. It's a hidden feature in the YouTube algorithm that, when triggered correctly, can exponentially boost your reach. I'll be covering that in detail in my next video, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. If you're ready to transform your content creation game, smash that like button and drop "ready" in the comments. I read every comment and I'll personally help you get started with this system. Remember, the future of content creation isn't just about using AI, it's about using it intelligently. Now you have the exact blueprint I use to generate viral content on autopilot. See you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into advanced AI content strategies that are changing the game in 2025.